Till now in this session, whenever we had to lock, we used any Java object. We have applied lock on any Java object. But there are some special classes in Java which can be used for locking. Those classes are present in java.util.concurrent.locks package. Namaste everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the session 20 of Java and Web, Multithreading in Java. Until now, threads were locking any object, any Java object. But how good it is if there is a specialized object for locking. The java.util.concurrent.locks package contains classes that are specially designed for locking only. Classes for locks are present inside the package java.util.concurrent.locks. If you are using Java 8 or lower versions of Java, then there you can find rt.jar file. In the rt.jar file, you will have a package java.util.concurrent.locks. This package contains all the classes for lock. And if you are using the Java 9 or higher versions of Java, then you can find java.base module. Then in the java.base module, you can find the package java.util.concurrent.locks. And in this package, you can find various lock classes. The lock classes present in this package are organized like this. There are two interfaces. One is the lock interface and other one is read-write lock interface. The lock interface is implemented by reintrant lock class. We will learn about the reintrant lock class in the next few videos of this session. And read-write lock interface is implemented by reintrant read-write lock class. There is one more class called stamped lock class. So we are going to use these three classes for locking. Apart from these three classes, there is one more class called lock support. The lock support is not supposed to be used by the programmers. Therefore, we are not going to discuss this class. The lock interface has various methods implemented by reintrant lock class. The main methods are lock, unlock, lock interruptively, try lock with various other arguments, and the method new condition. All these methods are implemented by the reintrant lock class, and we are going to discuss all these methods in the coming videos of this session. Whereas the interface read-write lock, which is implemented by the class reintrant read-write lock, has two methods, read lock and write lock. The classes in the package java.util.concurrent.locks use special methods to lock and unlock. We just have seen. By using the method lock, we can lock the object, or by using the unlock, we can unlock the object. So these special classes used for locking has special methods for locking and unlocking, and variety of methods for locking itself. These special lock classes also pay attention to provide fairness in getting the lock. It is ensured that only the longest waiting thread gets locked. Locking just by using the synchronized keyword never pay an attention on fairness. Apart from this, some of the special methods of these classes modify the process of acquiring the lock. As we have seen here, we have various lock methods: lock, lock interruptively, try lock, and try lock with two arguments. These are the four ways to lock an object. Therefore, I hope now you are all set to learn about all the classes and all the methods of java.lang.concurrent.locks package. That's all for this video, guys. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe my channel on YouTube, like my page on Facebook, and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.